I'm in Castro Valley, California, and this morning I'm checking out a spot called Dappa. Dappa is a Filipino restaurant. This is like one of the only Filipino restaurants in this town, and I want to showcase some of the food they have. I kind of have an idea what I want to order after checking out the menu, but let's go ahead and take a look at Dappa in this video today. All right, so if you don't know, Castro Valley is a town in the East Bay, part of the SF Bay area. Little plaza here that it's at. Here you go. Dappa Filipino restaurant. Open? Oh, okay, no worries. He just said that they're gonna open in about a few more minutes, so I just wait here patiently. What is this supposed to be? Oh, actually, it's probably it's inside. You can see the logo, Dappa Filipino food. Oh, there it is right there. Okay, thank you. Ooh. There's the shelf here. That's a nice looking logo. Filipino flag represents. So I want to do the number 14.
And the 14, how spicy
Yeah.
do you like for your people express?
Oh, very spicy.
How spicy?
Yeah, very spicy. I didn't know you could. Huh?
Level 10?
Sure. Yeah, level 10 spicy.
No problem.
And then I want to try your famous fried chicken. All right, moving spots a little bit, not loud in the background with the music, but they'll continue playing it. But having a little open space here to sit right here in the front of the restaurant, kind of seeing. This is where you kind of order the food, and this is the entrance. As people walk in and see me talking to myself. Yeah, it's a Dappa person. Dappa. Water. I got the Bicol Express, and then I also picked up their fried chicken, Dappa's famous fried chicken. And that was my objective in the beginning, was to try some of their fried chicken. When I saw some reviews about this place, a lot of it was geared towards trying their chicken. Oh, by the way, I got the Bicol Express level 10 spice. So that's like the highest spice level they have here. I've never had the option to increase the level of spice, but I got this at its highest level. What does Dappa mean? Oh, it's a house?
Yeah.
Oh,
Filipino
house.
From that name.
Oh, nice. So I'm still waiting for the food, but even though there's a little bit of a wait, I believe he's the owner. He mentioned that the reason why it's taking this long is because everything's made fresh. The famous fried chicken they have is fresh. The Bicol Express, everything is made to order. So I'm good with that. We got some time. Let's go.
You sure Bicol Express?
Fantastic.
Level 10 spicy.
Level 10. Sweet and sour?
Yes, for
Nice. Oh, wow. Beautiful. Thank
For
you.
anything else?
No, this is going to be great.
And then for your fried chicken, give us another 3 more minutes. Okay?
Sure. Thank you.
Enjoy your meal. If you need something, just let me know.
Thank you. Wow. Yummy. Bicol Express, bell peppers, onions, the coconut. I believe this is made with pork. Maybe the first thing we can try before that chicken comes out is, let's go ahead and try the lumpia. And I like how it comes with lumpia. You don't have to order the appetizer selection because you have them here ready to go. So let's try some of that lumpia first. Probably have it just as is. Bite. Oh yeah. Growing up, I call these like Shanghai style lumpias. They're thin and filled with some ground meat, really thin strands of carrots, and oh yeah, that was delicious. Wow. You try it with some of that, with the sweet and sour sauce. There you go. Bite. Tasty. Tapping in that right now as we're waiting. Just as is. Let's see how spicy that is. Let's go. Take some of that broth first. And just try that broth just as is. This will give me an indicator on how spicy level 10 is here at Dappa Filipino food. Bite. Okay, that heat kind of rises towards the back end there. That heat building. Oh, that is delicious. And here comes the fried chicken. Oh, nice. Wow. Beautiful.
Okay. And this is our Dappa sauce.
Okay, Dappa sauce. This one here.
Yes.
Like soy vinegar?
Yeah, there's lemon, vinegar, chili.
Okay, as that spice begins to build, let's just admire that chicken that just came out, the fried chicken. Wow. Generous portions of chicken, man. This is Looks delicious, man. Wow. Let's go back to that Bicol Express. I just had that broth. The coconutiness of it, that spice is on point. It does build a little bit in the back of your throat, but it's not like overpowering that sauce. Bite. I mean, pork. Oh yeah, that's delicious. It's tasty. It is spicy. It is fantastic. I love that flavor. That's mouth-watering. The coconut is what makes this dish. I love the onions. I love the spices. I'm gonna pour that just on top of the rice. Yeah. Oh. Do a little more. Over that rice. Oh yeah. Okay. That's right here. Oh, lovely. All right, let's give it a bite. Bite. Oh yeah. This and this. That's the combination. Absolutely. You gotta have it with the rice. Oh yeah, that is yummy. Mustard up indeed. The rice just kind of soaks in that coconut juice, that coconut broth as well. The meatiness, that is yummy. We're gonna submerge this bite into the Bicol Express. Let's give that a dip in there. Get some other lingering ingredients onto this spoonful. All right, here we go. Bite. This dish is absolutely tasty. Really, for me, it kind of makes you want to go back for more. Just dress everything in that sauce. Man, that sauce is on point. I see, for me, it's kind of a medium. It's not like the highest level. I'm not like dripping with sweat, which sometimes I usually do when it's very, very spicy. But I like that heat. That heat is fantastic. Bite. Chase with some rice. But like I said, you want to dip that in that sauce. Okay, I love to continue working on this, but we do have to move on. Try that chicken. But before we try the chicken, I have this like side salad here, slaw. Not sure if it's for decoration or, I mean, you can eat it obviously, but I guess we'll try that. Okay. I mean, that works if you're wanting to have a little bit of greenery and some veggie options on your plate. That's fine too, but really, it's all about that Bicol Express. Okay, let's try that fried chicken. All right, shifting and moving this here. All right, and they have their own Dappa sauce, he says. And man, look at this chicken. This just looks yum. Wow, okay. Which one do we want to try? First, maybe we'll grab this one here. We'll give that bite. Oh, that's just, that's just gonna be crispy and delicious. Oh man, let's go. Bite. Hot. Temperature hot. Oh man. Oh, that's a yummy fried chicken. As you said, freshly dropped into the fryer, tender on the inside, crispy on the outside. Kind of what you expect from fried chicken, right? And I love the quality of it too. Crispy fried, delicious, man. That is absolutely mouth-watering. And just had it by itself. I do want to try it with that Dappa sauce now. So let's give that a dip. Okay, just like that. All right, with the Dappa sauce, bite. Oh, oh, oh man. Okay, vinegar, soy, onions. That works. kind of want to get a little more and try it again because I don't think it really soaked into that chicken. But, ooh, that's hot on the fingers. Ooh. Hot. We're gonna have to pull on reinforcements and grab that fork. Okay, you know, this one will definitely get, we'll submerge that, try that, okay. And we'll get more sauce ratio on this. Oh. Soy vinegar, lemon, onions. Good. And this right here, is this ketchup? I'm not much of a ketchup person. Oh, it's ketchup. We're gonna put that to the side because I don't really have ketchup. Maybe with fries, but yeah, not with my chicken. This Dappa sauce is good enough. I see a picture of what kind of chicken eater are you? As far as when you're eating a chicken, how much meat do you eat? I mean, I go to the bone. I'm sorry. That's just how I am. Straight to the bone. Those cartilagey bits, everything. Okay, so I think now we want to do a combination. We'll get some of that chicken, the famous chicken, and have some rice. We gotta have some rice with it. So, oh, look at this nice like layered. Should I do it? Should I just like rip the skin off and just have that skin by itself? Let's do it. Yeah. Yeah, this right here, that fried chicken skin. Some places just the skin, like skin chips. All right, we'll have that piece of chicken. We'll dip first, a little bit of Dappa sauce, just a little bit. Okay, bring it on over. Wrap it up, pick it up. There it is. Oh man. Wow. Let's bite that. Bite. Hold on. That chicken skin. The seasoning on that, nicely salted, nicely seasoned, and nicely fried. That is masarap, yummy. That's a good move right there. Wrap the skin with the rice. Put some on this end here. You know what the plan is. Try this sauce with it. Oh no. All right, that was Dappa Filipino food in Castro Valley, California. Really good. I enjoyed the quality of food that he's mentioned. Everything's fresh made. You will wait a little bit if you're going here because it's fresh made, but as soon as it comes out, really you'll enjoy the flavors. That's about it. With that said, I hope you enjoy the bite life. Later.